So for sealing spit, you can't use a water-based sealer because it just reactivates it and then it's ruined. It'll smush all of your work. So my plan that I always do really is crystal clear enamel. It just has to be a clear spray. This one, make sure it's not water-based. And with this, I had to tape just the hinges and stuff so that wouldn't get sprayed. And I did it on the back here. Just a little tape over them. I gotta carefully do this. This will need a couple coats, 2 or 3. I'm gonna back up a little bit with my camera because, as you know, I've sprayed it before. Get the top. Again, let that dry, come back, do it again. I didn't get the bottom. Maybe I'll just paint that black. I kind of forgot about it actually. All right, second round. As soon as that dries, I'm taking off all the tape. I mean, I might even do it a little bit before it's dry. I probably should get tweezers and get that. Now this was spray painted. Everything's fine. But I want to just add a little bit to that top. So I have some Famo wood epoxy resin, and I'm going to, with my gloved hands, give a little pour, but that doesn't look there. Just a little right there. Don't need a lot. I mean, I might need more, but I gotta see. I'm just gonna go around like this. And I should have taped off all the sides, but I didn't. Sometimes the wood soaks in, so might need to do this twice. And you could just tape it off if you want, but with this process, I don't think I really need to. It's not really gonna hopefully run off. Should lay down flat, I hope. While you're putting the epoxy on, just look down at the angle and you can see, it might need a little more here or there, but it will look pretty bumpy. But with the way that Fama wood, it settles down. With this one, it probably will need 2 coats. See how it looks there, but it does kind of settle down, which you'll see. And we're coming to the 24-hour results, and they are okay. It needs one more coat. I will do it. I just didn't have any epoxy right now to show it to you. But wood, sometimes bubbles can seep out later into resin, so one more coat, everything should be great with it. Looks quite adorable. And I just want to thank you all for watching, and please subscribe and join me for some more videos.